Something that had been overdue has come into play. This is a dawn for democracy in Nigeria. Real democracy is about to start now, because democracy starts from the roots, from the local government, from the people, from the governance that touches every phase of the people. So it is now about to start. The leaders will now be accountable to the people that elected them. The functions the Constitution created for local government will now be able, the local government councils will now be able to carry them out, because the finance given by the Constitution, the allocation given to the local government will now move straight. You can't elect or institute a type of government without and deny them finance. How would they now function? You see, what I think the judgment has done is restoring what the Constitution created. If you look at the journey of the Constitution, Section 2 of the Constitution created Federal Republic of Nigeria. Anywhere you have republic, Federal Republic, once you are practicing federalism, there is always this three type of government: the federal government, the state, and the local government. For all this while, the local government have been muzzled because of that provision of Section 162 that talked about joint account between the state and the local governments. When this money moves into this joint account, the state almost muzzles it and now be given stipends to the local government officials, the chairman and all that, and be giving them stipends just to pay salary, and they're thinking that they're going to do the administration the local government is supposed to do.
Yes.
This is wrong. You see, the Constitution went further in Section 3 to create the legislative arm of government, 4 to create the executive arm of government, and in Section 7, create local government. And there's something that came very peculiar in that Section 7. It said local government that is democratically elected. Once somebody is elected to an office, the people voted them. They will be accountable to the people.
Yes, it's all about the people, like President Bola.
It's all about the people.
Yes, and the decision also touches on democratic governance at the third tier of government. And as a former Attorney General and Minister of Justice in Imo State, what is the import of this now?
The import is that there will be vibrancy now. There will be a lot of vibrancy because, one, every local government chairman will be now held accountable. The money that is allocated directly from the federation account to the local government, we know how much it is. The people should know how much it is. And the program, the local government the gentleman that contested the local government chairmanship, the program and how he executed it, how the money is accounted for, so that if at the end of the time the money is embezzled, you know how to hold responsible. If you look at the history of Nigeria, for a long time, you don't see any local government that is being taken to EFCC because none of them were managing the fund that was allocated to them. Because this fund do not get to there, the functions expected by the constitution of the local government are never carried out. The employment that should have been generated from the existence and the activity of the local government council are not there.
If I may cut in there, state governments usually, decide who becomes the local government chairman. Don't you think that they will sort of maneuver it around so that the money comes back to them?
It's a very brilliant question you're asking. But then, you see, there is something about political chemistry. Yes, they may think they will do that. But look at a chairman that is elected, and who knows that he is going to give account, even if you were brought him as a stooge. When the time comes to give account of the fund, because you are a stooge, will not save you. So an intelligent person would say, yes, I have been assisted to be elected, but accounting for this money, I will be the person to be responsible. And so some of them might start differing from the governor. So it might not be the same day. A new dawn has come. It will not be the same game as before, because some might even come in and decide to take their way, because they know they will be responsible for accounting for this fund.
Indeed, it's a new dawn and a renewed hope agenda.
And this is why I have always respected the governor of Borno State. The governor of Borno State. You see, from beginning, he brought in people, some professors, some doctors, some distinct, who came and contested local government election and have been carrying on their own.